Hello, good evening, all of you. This is another important topic for NEET exam. Okay, the recent NEET papers 2 years back, I think one bit was given from this topic, but it is not given in NCERT textbook. It is out of textbook, but you have to prepare even though it is not given in NCERT textbook. Bits are frequently given from this topic. Okay, the topic is extra embryonic membranes. Okay, you know that there are four extra embryonic membranes: amnion, chorion, allantois, yolk sac, and allantois. Okay, amnion and chorion. Okay, okay, this is the figure. Okay, if you understand this figure, you can easily answer these bits. Okay, chorion here you can see, amnion you can see here, and here allantois and yolk sac. Okay, observe this chorion here. This is the trophoblast, this outer black line. Below that one there is a dotted line, and there is a circle which is joining these two. That means these two layers are involved in the formation of this chorion. What are those two? Trophoblast or trophectoderm and somatofluoric extraembryonic membrane. Somatofluoric extraembryonic mesoderm. Observe this one. What is this one? Amnion. Somatofluoric extraembryonic mesoderm. Here it is outside. And what is present inside here? Black line. This is trophoblast. Here outside trophoblast, inside somatofluoric extraembryonic mesoderm. Here outside somatofluoric extraembryonic membrane mesoderm and inside trophoblast. Okay, look at this one. Okay, amnion consists of somatoflora, that means ectoderm, that means trophectoderm. You learned here, you have seen the trophoblast. Okay, that is ectoderm here. And somatic mesoderm, here this is the mesoderm. Somatofluoric extraembryonic mesoderm. And these two together form here amnion. Chorion also. Okay, somatoflora. Okay, ectoderm and somatic mesoderm. Here outermost, this is the chorion is the outermost layer. Chorion is the outermost layer of the fetus, and here amniogenetic cells of the trophectoderm and somatic mesoderm together form amnion. Here outermost, this is the outermost layer of the fetus and contain trophectoderm. It contains a trophectoderm and somatic mesoderm here also. And what are the important points related to amnion? It is present around the fetus. You can see here this is the black one fetus, and this okay, pink color one is the amniotic cavity, and it is present, amnion is present around the fetus. Amniotic cavity is the space between the amnion. Okay, this is the amnion, you know, this is amnion. Okay, this is this layer is amnion, this is the embryo fetus, and between these two there is a space, this pink color one, this is called amniotic cavity. Amniotic fluid, in this cavity contains amniotic fluid. Present in the amniotic cavity, it regulates the pressure and temperature and prevents desiccation of the fetus. Very important, prevents malformation of the fetus, and it acts as a shock absorber. Amniocentesis, very important, collecting cells in the amniotic fluid to study the genetic disorders. Now about chorion. Chorion, it forms the chorionic villi. You can observe here. Okay, what are these? Chorionic villi. It forms the chorionic villi. Villi penetrate into the endometrium and get nourishment. Formation of placenta. It is involved in the formation of placenta and intrachorionic cavity between the mesoderm. Intrachorionic cavity between the mesoderm. Okay, right. Next one, yolk sac. Yolk sac. Okay, this yolk sac, observe here. Yolk sac, what are present? endoderm, this dotted line. And next one, okay, this is the endoderm inside, and this dotted line is the mesoderm. Observe here also, this is somatic, but this is planktopleuric, somatopleuric, extra embryonic mesoderm. Okay, and endoderm. Okay, yolk sac, splanchnopleura. Here somatopleura. Splanchnopleura. Here endoderm and splanchnic mesoderm. Here ectoderm and somatic mesoderm. Endoderm and splanchnic mesoderm. It forms the midgut. No yolk is present here, and no nutritive function here. But in some animals it performs the nutritive function. It contains yolk. Allantois, and it forms the hindgut. And next, another important formation of the placenta, it is involved in the formation of placenta and storage of waste materials. It is function very important, storage of waste materials and formation of placenta.